What if you could use a powerful AI coding agent without paying for an AI subscription? And I'm not talking about just one free model. I'm currently accessing multiple powerful models from a same coding agent, including models that are surprisingly capable at coding, reasoning, debugging, and analyzing. But that is the interesting part. Are these free models actually good enough to replace the paid tools you are using right now? That's exactly what we are going to find out in this video. The coding agent that I will always prefer, which is OpenCode, the open source AI coding agent. This is the best alternative at the current time that you can use it free. If you want, you can use it inside the Visual Studio Code through extension. If you want to use as a desktop app, then you can also able to use, and similarly you can also use as a CLI form. Before installing this platform, I'll show you the available model that you can use for free. Okay, if you are using it for the first time, go to this Jane section and get started with Jane. You need to create your account. Currently 6 to 7 model are freely available. Nemotron 3.5 lightning free model is also available, which is just launched one day ago. This is the lightest version of Nemotron, which responds you faster. This is the 30 billion parameter model, which activate only the 3 billion parameter for context. And Nematron 3 Ultra is also available. This Link 3.0 Tiny is also available. Laguna is also available. HY3 is also available. Mimo B2.5 is available. At the same time, DeepSeek before Flash is also available, and Big Pickle is available inside the OpenCode. Then how you can use it? Three ways that you can use OpenCode is a coding agent. First, through the OpenCode extension inside Visual Studio Code or Anti-Gravity. Search for OpenCode, you can find this extension, install it, then you are ready to use inside your editor. At the same time, if you want to use it in terminal, then this process is also simple and easy. Command is available here according to which platform that you have installed. If you install npm bourne brew, copy the respected command and paste it in your terminal. Within the 1-2 minute it will be installed. But if you want a desktop app, then you can also achieve it. Download it from here. It will be available for both Windows and Mac. I'm using Mac, that's why it will automatically show here. This is the list. It will be available in both the Mac platform, Windows, Linux. Okay, OpenCode is open source coding agent. This is the way that you can use. Now, after you have installed VS Code extension or CLI or desktop app, next things you have require a API key to use it. Then API generation process is also easy. After you have create account, here is the API key section. Create your API key if you are using it for the first time. Okay, I already have 2-3 API key, but I'll also show you by creating one new API key. Free API. Create it. Now my API is ready to use. I'm going to copy my API, and every time I'll prefer to use it in CLI. That's why I'm going to open it in my terminal. Use where you have comfortable. If you want to use inside Visual Studio Code, use it. Each and every process will be simple. If you want to use in a CLI, then this is the process, but every configuration process is same. After you have download, if you type OpenCode and press enter, then OpenCode interface will be started inside your terminal PowerShell, which platform that you have used. After OpenCode is started, type /connect, then OpenCode Jane provider will be reflected at the top, which is the default recommended provider from OpenCode. Press enter. Then you need to provide the API key that you have created in opencode.ai platform. Okay, after you have paste the API key, you need to press enter. Then all the free model will be reflected here. This is the list of model currently available inside OpenCode. Most of are paid, but if you search free, then currently 7 model are freely available. Among them, latest launch Nematron 3.5 Lightning is one, Link 3.0 Tiny, DeepSeek before Flash, Laguna, HY3, Nematron Ultra, Mimo B2.5, and Big Pickle is also available. You can also use this Big Pickle as well. Best part, in OpenCode, most of the model are very quick, and if you use this Nemotron 3.5 Lightning model. This model is the quickest model among all of the model available is in the market. That's why Nemotron launched 3.5 Lightning. This model has 30 billion parameter, but it will only activate 3 billion parameter at once. That's why this model is very quick. In officially blog article, Nemotron mentioned that this model is preferred for the long context window and quick response. Is it working? And mainly it will depend on your internet speed as well. Okay, if your internet is stable, then only it will respond fast. In my system, it will currently respond within a 2-3 seconds. This is the way that you can add model inside the OpenCode. Now I will show you by building some project where you are sure that we have built some real project. I have closed my OpenCode and I'm going to start it inside my test folder. Then I will test its capability. You can select any model, but I want to choose this DeepSeek before Flash. Okay, and I'm going to build one JSON formatter. This is my prompt. Build a clean modern JSON formatter web app. Feature include this. It will already start working on it, where it will mention this is the list of file which will be included inside the test folder. If there are multiple files inside this folder, then it will take a little bit time to read this folder. That's why if there are any unwanted file inside your folder that you have currently working, first remove it. It will already completed the task and give me the code. It will only takes 45 seconds to complete this task. How much faster it is? Imagine from here as well. Among them, DeepSeek before Flash is awesome model, BigPickle is awesome, Mimo is awesome, Nemotron Ultra is awesome. Now I'm going to run it. Okay, this is the output. I'm going to paste one complex JSON file. Without formatting, it will be very difficult to read this file. Then I'm going to format it. From one click, this will be converted from this fully formatted valid JSON from one paragraph. This is the 343 line of JSON. If you want to modify, then you can easily modify here. From this paragraph type JSON, we have converted a one fully readable and valid JSON from 500 line of code, where DeepSeek only takes 45 seconds to complete this task. This is the power of this model. That's why every time I will prefer you to use OpenCode. You can copy it, you can clear it everything from here. You can also validate here as well. Just like this. This is the valid JSON, then only convert it. This is the best way. Every time I will mention OpenCode is all-time favorite. This is the list of free model currently available. If you source the power of this model, then DeepSeek, Mimo, Nemotron, our rank is in the top 10 place of current intelligence model. Okay, Mimo is another powerful model. Okay, I want to wrap up this video here. If you have used OpenCode, share your thoughts in the comment below. It will be helpful for others. And if you have never used OpenCode, then use it. I will suggest you to use. Day by day, the price of coding model will be increased. If you are a student, you need a one free model to test, where OpenCode provide different type of model for free. If new model will be launched first, it will be released in OpenCode most of the time. And currently this model will be available. If you have watched this video 10-15 days later, then some other model will be updated here as well. Okay, that's the power of OpenCode. And that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding. Bye bye. We'll meet you on the next video.